13th, 2013. We're getting a lot of debris around the sun, and what's happening, and I'll show you, is if you remember on November 19th, the X-flare stripped ISON back through large uh, pieces of debris backwards, stripped back that outer coma, and it was a lot smaller coming in. Because of that, when we watched it on this camera, LASCO C3 on Thanksgiving Day. Now, what's happening in this frame, notice 12/12/636 yesterday, I recorded this, they've taken this down. In this frame, we're seeing one of those streaming pieces. Notice on the right in the small red frame how ISON came in. A large object, and it's not electric. It does not have the big the cloud around it, guys. Next frame, 7/7/36. After it hits in the bottom, we have these explosions. Notice the time. Again, the timestamps. Look at the explosions, and I'll play it through and let you see. But coming in that bottom right and going out the top, just the way ISON did, is a lot of debris in this area. Now, we caught one of the bigger objects. Again, 636. I'll show you that. Again, I'm just stopping some of these flares as they're coming out. It's kind of the activity's picking up. Again, watch this object here come in. Now, that's not coming in from the bottom, but it did cause a solar explosion. Again, here, another object here. Those are coming in from the top. Not sure if they're coming up and the gravity of the sun's so strong. I'm not sure. What has happened, I went back today to check it and see what had happened, and I've got the latest images, but they took that frame out of one of those large rocks in ISON's tail coming in and slamming into the sun. Guys, the reason I'm doing this is because those large objects, not all of them are hitting the sun. We've got a large trail. Notice here, 624. These are today's after 648. You see they skipped the frame of 636 that shows the object. If you go back today and look at LASCO C2, you're not going to see frame 636 when that object's coming in. Why would they do that? But guys, we have a large debris field that we're going through, and the International Space Station had better, guys, I don't know if you guys on the space station can hear what I'm saying. If they let you watch YouTube videos, they probably don't. I don't know what they're showing you, but you better not be there when we go through this debris field. But they have, yesterday on Wonderground, they gave a slight report that, a small report that they may have had the leak sealed. They did not. Now they think it's a valve. So they still have half the cooling system down on this International Space Station. You also have that Chinese Dragon up there, their space station, and we have thousands of satellites. Guys, you saw how big that object was. You saw how they're taking the frames out so we don't see that debris field. Heads up, we're going to watch this. We need to watch the LASCO C2, all you guys that watch this, from now and through January till we go through this debris trail. Heads up.